Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to replace the power steering cooler on the 7th gen Nissan Maxima. But before we do that, this bumper is going to have to come off. So we're going to go ahead, pop the hood. Alright, so since we're going to remove the bumper, we're just going to remove the grommets up here. So it's 2, 4. We ain't going to worry about these. So I'm missing 2 because I never put them in. And then it's 2 10 mils we gotta move on the side. So one right here. All right, so this one. Then remove the bracket. And then repeat the same thing for the opposite side. All right, so remove this. Alright, I don't got a splash shield, so you would have removed the splash shield enough just up to here, up to the fender line, so you could gain access to this 10 mil bolt right here. So it's one on the driver and one on the passenger. So this tripod I'm using right now is too short. So, but anyways, I'm gonna remove these 2 and then be right back. Alright, so that's the upper hose to the cooler, and the other one is right here, and that's the AC compressor, so it's right in front of it. So my system's already drained, so if yours isn't drained, drain yours before you want to proceed. So what I'm going to do is get my hose clamps. We're going to slide that up and then begin removing it. Alright, I'm going to try not to hit the camera. So with the clamp, I'll be replacing the clamps as well. I'm gonna have to slide it up some more. All right, right there should be good. Try moving it somewhere. Alright, before we do that, we're going to disconnect the top hose from this one. I don't got no hose clamp if you watched the previous video, and this was the reason why, but I got the 2 new ones right there because this section will be brand new. Alright, so now that's disconnected. Now I'm going to show you what I mean when I say just take out the bottom 2 bolts from the radiator support. Alright. Should give us enough leverage. So undo it from the 2 clips that hold it into place. Rock that to the side. Might have to. I'm trying to do this without removing the whole radiator support. There we go. So what I did was pull it out more, hold it and twist it to the side, and it came out. So now we're going to do the same thing but in reverse and squeeze it back in, and then we worry about hooking up the hoses after. Alright, so I'm gonna keep the bubble wrap and everything intact. I'm gonna do what I did taking it out. Hopefully I don't hit the camera. Go figure, as soon as I said don't hit the camera, I hit the camera. I'm just making sure the hose is clear the front, the engine cradle. Alright, so I mean, got it in. Hoses. It's pretty much the same spot. Alright. So it's back in. It's in its clips. I'm gonna keep that bubble wrap on for now. Alright, so the hose is up here now. So what I'm going to do, get the new clamp. I'm gonna just set it here for now on this end. I'm not gonna do it on that end, otherwise it's gonna slide to the bottom. I don't want that, so I'm gonna set y'all down. Alright. Once you got the hose back reattached, get this, pull up. So I'm gonna readjust it now. Alright, so that's all fully assembled. Put the washer fluid reservoir back in. That's so. Slide it in place. Of course, there's a bracket here, but I explained what happened with that in the last video. And then this side, I'm not going to put the hose clamp in because in the next video, this line with the hose will be getting replaced. So I'm going to do like I did in the other video. Just wiggle it on for now, but for those of y'all that's not replacing that, put your hose clamp, slide this hose down to this lip right here. That's all. Alright, so now we're going to put the two 13 mils back in. Alright, so all of this is assembled. We can take this off now because it's fully installed. And so fresh and brand new. Alright, so now that we got that installed, we're going to install the power steering cooler brackets. So part number is 4979119N00A. You are going to need two of these. So one's going to mount here and the other one's going to be mounted here. So we'll take both of these out. So how this goes in is there's two slits on the radiator support. So one here, that's where these little guys plug into. And then the two open slots wraps around these pipes. So I'm gonna set it down and we are going to do that. So put it into the radiator first. That way you know exactly where it goes. That's all. Once it's supported, you're gonna bring it down. And then hold the little plastic bracket and slide them through. That's so that's fully secured. Now all you gotta do is throw the bumper back on. Alright, so the new power steering cooler and the brackets is fully installed. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.